Matapos ang blast from the past na food trip ni Roxie kanina, sunod naman niyang pinuntahan ang Beanhi sa Marikina. Isa sa mga lugar kung saan pwede kang mag-hangout and chill habang ini-enjoy ang iba't ibang mga variety ng kape from all over the Philippines.
Nag-start kami way back 2019, online selling. From 4 blends na coffee, ngayon meron na kaming more than 15. So meron kami mga varieties of flavored like hazelnut and macadamia, vanilla. So yun, parang yun ang common na parang kahit hindi ka coffee drinker, ma-appreciate mo yung coffee dahil may touch of flavored.
Bango ng kape. Halatang bestseller, parang bawas na bawas siya.
Pangalan pa lang eh.
Malayo pa lang naamoy ko na siya. It smells so good. Hazelnut.
Meron kami 3 types of barako. May barako regular, barako excelsa, and barako liberica. So yan. At tapos ang pinakamatapang ko is yung gingoog from Misamis Oriental. Meron din kami mga premium like Mount Apo, Atok, and Itogon. So yan yung may pagka-fruity taste.
So excited na ako mag-dine dito sa Beanhi, pero kakaiba dito kasi shoes off nakalagay may sign. Please don't put your shoe slippers here. Please use the shoe rack. And we're gonna open the shoe rack kasi actually, pwede ka magpaabot, may choice ka din. Pwede ka humiram ng slippers. Kaya may slippers sila dito, ayan. Pero ako parang feel ko mag-ano today. Feel ko magpa. So, ialisin ko yung aking shoes, aking heels. Ang sarap kasi matatanggal ko na yung heels ko. And actually, this place, karamihan ng customers nila is mga estudyante. So, makaka-relax sila dito kasi it's a very comfortable spot. Ayan, so, let's go! I have with me now an Americano, and it's actually made from gingoog beans from Misamis Oriental, o diba? So, kapag gusto mo magising, pag gusto mo mabuhayan, this is your go-to. Okay, titikman natin. Matapang siya, yung tipong kaya kang ipaglaban. I like it, I really like it. Okay, this is my Biscoff Truffle. Generous yung amount ng whipped cream nila at saka Biscoff. Well, dinamihan ko talaga. Ako naglagay nito eh. Okay, let us taste. Gusto ko yung kakaibang concept niya kasi it's not a typical waffle or croissant. They really made something original. So, pwede ito yung magiging isa sa mga signature nila. And ako, personally, babalik-balikan ko to.
Bukod sa matapang na hot drinks, ino-offer din nila ang panalong mga iced coffee-based at non-coffee-based drinks na patok sa mga adventurous sa kape.
I really like sea salt lattes kasi nag-trending to eh. Parang umuso to after the pandemic. And during actually the pandemic. And excited ako i-try. I really like it kasi sweet tooth ako. Parang gusto ko yung medyo may tamis siya. And I like na may ang ganda ng mixture ng tamis at alat. So parang I think it's the perfect blend for me. This is another latte. This is Cafe Almond Roca. Curious ako kung matapang siya. It looks matapang. Actually, hindi siya matapang. In a way, parang sweet din siya. Parang light coffee. And lasang-lasa mo talaga yung almond. So, it's good. Parang panghapon ko siya. Ganun. Panghapon ko siya. Parang it's gonna be my go-to pag hapon na. And then next, we have the Orange Americano. And this has naman Barako bean. So for this one, is-stir natin siya. It looks good. Matapang siya. Parang siyang chocolate na yung may orange. Ganun yung lasa niya with the kick of coffee na Americano. So it's also good. Mukhang may kakompetensya sa sea salt ko kasi favorite ko ang matcha. So this one naman, it's not just matcha, it's matcha strawberries. Look at that. Kakaiba siya. As a matcha drinker, kakaiba siya for me kasi may strawberry siya. Pero surprisingly, it really works. Ang sarap niya. You know how matcha tastes healthy? And then you mix it with the sweetness of strawberry. It tastes like a treat. So I had such a great experience here at Beanhi. I love the fact na ang daming choice, ang daming pagpipilian, from coffee to non-coffee for casual drinkers and coffee drinkers, lahat ng choices nandito. I'm going to go home with my gingoog. I'm from nearby, so it's gonna be easy for me to come here every once in a while.